Incremental greetings. Let's continue the Supermemo course, the Pleasurable expansion. Now it's time for deleting concepts. We have seen how we can create them in 3 ways, but we can also delete them in different ways, and they have different outcomes. Okay, let's do that. So first, let's use a backup. Don't use your collection for this to learn how to do that. Then, since I already created dummy concepts in the previous video, it's so convenient for me now to have that. So, there is one limitation, is that they are empty. There's no hierarchy. There's no concept group. No worries. Just as it will be a good introduction. So first, I have detail. I don't like that. I don't need that. Delete element. Gone. As easy as that. If I had hierarchy, all of the hierarchy will be deleted as well. Let's see. Using fonts. This is actually dummy. So you know what? Let me delete this. Yeah, it's wording. This element has 19 descendants. Are you sure? Yes. Again, hey, deleting the element and 19 descendants? Yes. I'm really sure. Why is prompting you actually twice? Because that's not something you will ever want to do unless you're cleaning, or perhaps you merge this collection or a branch and now you want to get rid of this branch, let's say. Okay, it's a use case. But usually this will be really, really rare. So, long story short, I just delete itself, the element. And if I delete the element and the branch, everything that is inside it, since I delete the concept element, as a consequence, I delete the concept registry member. Now, it's not there. Okay, now we will tackle weather, let's say. I don't want weather. So, right-click and delete. And look at the knowledge tree. Weather is the last one. As soon as I click delete, you want to delete this member. It's not this element. This member, the number 48, yes. This concept element is no longer used. This is not necessarily the case. In my case, it is because this concept was not used in any other element. No element had this concept set. So therefore, gone. And as you can see, is it still there? I select OK. So look at what it says. It's a topic. But why I have this icon? Supermemo doesn't refresh all of the interface synchronously. Like we have seen it with the templates, that it still says no template, but there is one, or stuff like that you need to refresh. So let's close it down, and now Alt-C, still a concept. Doesn't make sense, right? But if I go to any other collection, and now I come back, now it's a topic. So in fact, doesn't delete the element, deletes the concept registry member. It's, I can achieve the same result if I go here, geography, Ctrl-Shift-P, and I convert it. I do the opposite as before. Instead from a topic to a concept, I do from a concept to topic. What is going to happen? Geography, remember. Then, for whatever reason, the interface is updated right away, unlike the other flow. Don't ask me why. It's implemented like that. And then, let me see on the concept, registry member. Hey, geography, it's missing. I didn't have a confirmation. The tiny detail that the user interface is updated immediately and is not deleted. The element is kept as a topic. The reverse behavior, you remember we had topic, folders, concepts. So from the concept, you go back to the topic. You don't delete the element. Now, what happens if I want to delete a concept that already is set? Now, I will make something dummy. I will take, for instance, sports, and all of those here, that this is dummy, this is safe to delete. I will put the concept of sports. Okay. So now what happened? That if I go to my registry, sports, this is now used. Now, if I want to delete that, remember there's no hierarchy. It's empty, but it's set. Do you want to delete this member? Yes. Hey, concept element is no longer used. Are you sure about that? Yes, because it's not the concept registry member. It's a concept element, and this is true. It's no longer a concept element. It's a topic element. Sorry, it was the sports, this one. And it's seen like that. Sorry about this. I actually need every single time to toggle the collections so the user interface is refreshed. So now sports is actually a topic. I dismissed, because it was already dismissed. We have only changed the element type. But now, okay, I do agree. The prompt says the element type isn't used as a concept. Yeah, because it's a topic now. But as a concept registry member, it's still used. So now, if we go this here, look, it's not empty in the sense that it says no group. It's literally empty. Doesn't says no group. Concept name, empty string. And if I go Ctrl+Shift+P, it says deleted concept. So yes, you can delete a concept as an element, but that is still used as a registry member in whatever other element in your collection. Then you can repair the collections, especially building registries. This will rebuild concept registry among many, and they will become no concept. Sorry, no group, once again. You will have warnings in the result. And if you have, let's say here, that I have about 7,000, and I delete humanities, I will have about 7,000 warnings or errors. That, hey, concept no longer exists, da 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 da. Okay, I won't cover the details. So we have seen a straight deletion of the element. As a consequence, also deletes the registry member. Then we have seen to delete the registry member through the concept registry, like this, or by changing the concept, the element type, by clicking topic. By the way, it's not limited to topic. Any other thing, if I convert it to a task, sorry, this affects immediately, or item, it's already the same thing. So if I put it the concept, if I select item, now it's an item. You see the L is because it's an item. Here you go. It's a dismissed item. Then, my suggestion, how you should get rid of topics. Then my question is, what's the cleanest, the safest way to delete concepts? To delete concepts from the registry, the cleanest. So the option, go here, and delete it from here. And then what I will do, let's say I want to delete, I don't know, tools for thought. I no longer need that because I have read a lot and there's not much interest for me. It's unlikely I will be importing more stuff. Let's pretend that's the case. So I delete it. Yes. Okay. But now, again, let me change collections once again. And now what I would do is, now that this is just a topic, well, a folder, I will put this inside, for instance, education. So first, I may move it, but that's not enough. So now what I will do is set the concept in bulk, because the last video we have seen how to set concepts one by one, but you can also set the concept here, and we will cover this in education. So they still have a concept. Since I have two concept groups, it's easy to merge them. And by the way, okay, it's the same collection, but in a much older state. In this case, I have, let's see, 8 concepts. So I go to View in the main menu, View and Concepts. Now I take out the root. No worries about the details. What I'm doing now, we'll see this when we cover the browser window and subsets. And now what I can do is get rid of all of the concepts, type, and topics. For whatever reason, I cannot convert them to tasks in bulk. is a non-implementation. Perhaps because no one was doing that. One by one, you can choose any other element type, including tasks, but not in bulk. Okay, and here you go. It's wait. 18 conversions done? What? I have 9. Why Supermemo is counting twice every single concept? Well, because you converted the element type, yes, but you also converted the concepts, concept registry member. That's why it's counting twice. And now I got rid of all of my concepts in one single action. Imagine how, again, I'm not getting tired to repeat the same thing. Supermemo gives the user a lot of power, too much power. So in 2 actions, you can get rid of all of your concepts if you want it. Here in 6 minutes, there's one strategy that you start with a list of the concept names you will want with a topic. Then you can split it so you have all of the hierarchy in the knowledge tree, and then you do what I just did in bulk. This will only make sense if it's the collection brand new and you know that you will want to create all of those concepts regardless. It's a very, very, very outlier case. And I do recommend to do this while the collection is new. So, my recommendation, do you want to delete concepts? Delete concepts one by one. I simplified my flow. I had more than 100 concepts. Now I have 10, and I have deleted them one by one. Incrementalism always wins. Have full control of all of the outcomes. Make sure that every step you do is what you think you're doing is what you're doing. Because most of the time, once you will notice that, let's say it's a concept that you want to use, and then, oh, what it is, it's gone from my collection, and hey, that was done 6 months ago. The damage has been done already. You are way, way too late. So take this as an example. See you in the next video.